Hi guys, welcome to week 3 of online learning for social skills. This week we're going to be talking about perspective taking. Perspective taking means that you put yourself in someone's shoes and see things from their point of view. Your assignment this week is to watch the videos for week 3 and look for clues about how others are feeling and what they're thinking in these videos. While you're watching, use the Clues worksheet to help you make smart guesses about how the animals or people in the videos are feeling and what they might be thinking. Remember, you have to make a copy of the Clues worksheet to type in your answers. When you're done, submit your copy to the Google Classroom. Here's a couple helpful tips as you guys are going through this assignment. This is a link for the social skills video. There's a couple of them in a Google Slides file. When you open the file, you might be able to watch the videos just by pushing play here. If this doesn't work for you, push the present button and it will go into full screen mode and you should be able to watch the videos. Let me know if these don't work out for you and I can send YouTube links. This is the worksheet that you'll be filling out while you're watching the videos. So while you're watching, use clues such as their body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice to decide what that person might be thinking or how they might be feeling. Add any background information in here. For example, if someone's frowning, you might say you know that when people frown, they're usually sad or upset. Remember, in order to type in this, you're going to have to make a copy. So to do that, just go to File, make a copy, and you can pick the entire presentation